Alright, we're back with Excel. We're continuing with Excel. We learned a few basics, and now we're going to go on with a few more basics. Alright, now, sorry, we were talking about entering data, and so I'm going to put this number back in here. Alright, now I have this number in here. Now, one of the things you need to do is to know how to clear data. One of the helpful things up here, see this little button up here looks like an eraser. You can clear everything in the cell. You could clear the format, or you can clear the contents. Alright, and if there's hyperlinks, well, if I clear all, boom, everything's gone. Okay? Now, another very, very, very interesting thing is to copy cells. So I have this cell here, and I want to copy it. So if I go up to the copy button, it shows the keyboard shortcut. I like using keyboard shortcuts, especially when copying and pasting. Essentially, there's Control C for copy, Control V as in Victor for pasting. There's Control X for cutting something. If you want to move something, you don't want it in its original place. Control X. Alright, so I'm not going to use that button. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, and as I hit Control C, and that's holding the control button down and tapping C, the moving border is showing. So now I'm going to go here and go Control V as in Victor, which is a paste, and there it goes. And I can go up to the upper left hand corner of my keyboard and press escape to stop if I'm done. Alright, okay, the other important and interesting thing is this what we call a fill handle. You see this in the lower right hand corner of the cell, the active cell, there's this kind of black square. That's called the fill handle, and it can be very useful. If you extend, see what it does is you extend, see how the mouse turns to a little crosshair? That means you're on the fill handle. Now if you extend, whoa, I must have got off for a minute. There. It'll copy what the contents of the cells. Alright, now, what's even better is it can recognize a sequence. Alright, so let's highlight this. Okay, so now we have a sequence. I'm going to hover over the fill handle, extend it down, and it extends the sequence. Alright, can be very useful when you're typing in, headings and etc. Especially if you're doing numbers in sequence, or months, or days of the week, etc. Alright, let's see how we're doing on our time. Okay, we're good. Alright, another interesting thing. So I'm gonna make the cell active under my column of numbers. I'm going to go to this sum button. Now the sum button on 2016, it's much larger, but it's the same thing. See, it's this Greek letter. And if you hit it, oops, because I didn't hit it enough. Okay. It kind of assumes you want to sum that column. Okay. And what it does is it inserts the formula for summing columns. Alright, so it says you want to sum those columns, and yes, it's exactly what I want to do to say yes to the computer. I'm going to press enter, and there's the sum of those. Alright, now in addition to that, it has the average, it can count numbers, it has max and min. And that's the same choices you have for 2016. Okay, that's it. We're gonna see you in the next one.